Alright, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for your dyno stand we have our 393 Cleveland stroker engine combination. I'll go over a little bit about how this motor combo is set up. Start out with the 351 Cleveland block, do the Eagle 393 stroker rotating assembly. For the camshaft, we're running a retrofit hydraulic roller camshaft by Comp. In the top end, we're using the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads with the Edelbrock Performer RPM intake manifold and the Edelbrock carb. For the ignition system, we're running the MSD Pro Build distributor and the Taylor 8mm wires. If you're looking to build up a Cleveland, this is definitely the best way to go. This is one powerful powerhouse. This thing, every time, we're making over 500 foot-pounds of torque. This specific model, this customer asked us to go a little bit crazier with the camshaft. We did 525 foot-pounds of torque off idle, and this thing peaked out at about 538 horsepower. This thing's insane. If you're interested in this specific engine package or would like to customize one to tailor your needs, feel free to give us a call at any time at 1-800-267-3940 or check us out online at proformanceunlimited.com. Let's take you over to the dyno run. I think you guys are pretty impressed with this one.